Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2017 Honda Civic. Some of the headlights, such as the headlight, high beam, and front turn signal, are accessible by simply reaching behind the bulb housing. No tools will be required to change these bulbs. Connecting your phone to the vehicle via Bluetooth is a relatively straightforward process. The clear instructions on the touchscreen menu make for an overall hassle-free procedure. Both the interior and engine fuse boxes are quick to find with covers that are easy to remove. The latter even comes provided with a small plastic fuse puller for your convenience. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. Other headlights, such as the fog light and the parking light, have convoluted access. You must remove a panel from underneath the vehicle for access to the fog light, while the parking light will require the wheel well lining to be pried back. Both of these procedures will require tools and will end up being complicated and time-consuming. You must also work upside down while underneath the vehicle for access to the oil drain plug, the oil filter, and the lower radiator hose. You must remove a bulky and cumbersome panel for access to these parts, which will make for lengthy oil changes and coolant flushes. Unlike similar models, this vehicle does not come provided with a transmission fluid dipstick, but rather just a cap positioned deep in the engine bay. Reaching for this cap may expose you to other hot engine parts, and you'll need to take this vehicle into a dealership in order to actually check the fluid level. Overall, the 2017 Honda Civic is a somewhat easy car to maintain, but prospective owners should still be prepared for a handful of complicated procedures.